Hello there, Bar 12 with yet another helicopter for my helicopter fleet, I guess you can say. So this will be number 7. And as you can see, this is the Raptor 50. I always wanted a Raptor in my fleet, helicopter fleet, and I found a guy selling this one, so I went and bought it. It has a nice, very nice custom painted canopy, as you can see. Nice flames on there. It's very nice. Has nice bright orange landing gear, so you'll be able to see it well whenever you fly it, which is nice. I like that. Has an OS Max 5X 50 engine, size 50 engine. Has nice carbon graphite blades. I like that. And nice bright orange paddles. Has carbon fiber tail blades. Which is nice. I love carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is the best. Makes everything look nice, in my opinion. It's my cat. So yeah, I started this about a week ago. It ran good. I didn't get to fly it. It's the middle of winter here, but sounds nice. Ran nice. Idles perfect. So can't wait for spring to get out and fly that. Came with the Futaba T7 CHP. It's a nice transmitter. I like it. 7-channel. Has nice menus on it. You can adjust everything. Eventually, I think I'm going to do it this summer, though. This transmitter that I got with my Freya, if you watched any of my other videos, it is a great radio. It has over 80 pages. You can adjust. It is a great radio. I'd like to put at least my 3 nitro helicopters on it. It's great transmitter. JR Pro PCM 10X. It's very expensive, but of course I got it with my Freya helicopter. So I'll bring this over here and show you guys all 7 of my helicopters. So there they are. From the smallest, I got the Wakira Mini CP, which is really great, actually. It was my first flybarless, even though it's tiny, but I love flybarless, and it's very good. I can do some 3D inside, flipping it upside down, doing inverted. It's a very fun helicopter. Then I have my Axe CPV3, which I got, I think, 5 years ago now, going on 5 years ago. It was my first real helicopter, you can say. My first collective pitch, not Walmart brand helicopter. So I was excited about that. The E-Razor 450 size helicopter. Flies great. Great helicopter, like that one. Hostler 500, which I got a good deal. It was ready to fly. It was only $300, which was including shipping. Great deal for a 500 size helicopter. Usually they're very expensive. Then my Venture 30, which was my very first nitro helicopter. Flies great. 30 size helicopter. Then next to it, I have the Raptor 50. looks great. I'm excited to fly it. And the blades are slightly bigger than the 30, as you can see, and the tail boom is a bit longer too. Then, last but not least, my Freya 60. It's a 60 size helicopter, of course, and I love this helicopter. It is, it's great. I love the size, how big it is, how powerful it is. Altogether, just a great helicopter, especially what it has on it. The governor is fantastic. Love the helicopter. This is, out of all these ones, this one's my favorite. Although I didn't get to fly the Raptor yet, but definitely Freya 60 is my favorite. So yeah, that's my helicopter fleet there. Probably end up making it bigger. So come spring though, I'll be making videos of the Raptor, whatever helicopter I fly. Have any questions? Whatever, comment below. Thanks for watching.